Hello guys, welcome to my channel to watch more videos on machine learning using Python. Yes, we have a lot of fun on machine learning in these days, as we have gone through many videos on machine learning such as gender detection from image using Python, latest video drowsiness detection using Python, gender detection using webcam using Python, and many more videos on machine learning like fear library, deface library, hand tracking, speech recognition, and lot of videos on machine learning. Today's video is really interesting and innovative. For that, let us go through the Python file. Importing required libraries, import CV2. Then this function method get face box, it is used for finding the bounding box coordinate in the frame. Then model for face, then for age, and then face net is equal to CV2 dot, it is for predict the age, and this is for a model, and then predict the gender and the age. These are the prediction values. Then starting the webcam, video capture padding 20. Then while loop for generating the frame around the face. Then faces and face box mentioning the age and gender here, and label gender, display, put text to display on the webcam, then output age gender detection, and Q to exit from while loop, then close the recording, stop the webcam, and close all window. Now we'll execute the program. Yes, gender is detected, and age, it is round about 25 to 32. Yes, so I have successfully done with age and gender detection using Python. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I have taken more efforts to create this video. Thank you very much for watching this video.